Welcome back. We are now going to deal with the image formation by convex lens. We have already studied about the image formation in case of concave mirror and convex mirror. Here we are interested to study about the image formation in convex lens. So the ray diagram for image formation in convex lens, just like convex lens is just like the concave mirror. The image formed by convex lens is similar to that of image formed by concave mirror. In case of concave mirror, we have seen there are 6 well-defined positions of the object, and according to these well-defined positions, different images are formed at different places. In the same way, in convex lens, there are 6 well-defined positions at which objects can be placed, and for each a specific positions we get a specific form of image. First of all, let us consider the object is at infinity. When object is at infinity, means if objects are far distant from the lens, then the image will be formed on the principal axis at the principal focus, because the light rays coming from the object placed at distant places are parallel to each other, and when these parallel rays of light get refracted through the convex lens, the refracted rays meet at a common point on the principal axis. So the size of the image is very small, that is, it is of point size and extremely tiny or infinitesimally small. Now position of image means at principal focus size is highly diminished, and nature. What is the nature of image formed by the convex lens? Is real and inverted. So this is the first case. Now let us consider the second case. When object is placed at beyond the center of curvature, the image will be formed between C and F. Means when object is beyond the center of curvature, means less than infinity and more than center of curvature. In that situation, the image will be formed between C and F, means center of curvature and focus. The size of image is diminished, means smaller than the size of the object, and nature of image is real and inverted. Nature of image is real and inverted. So this is the second case. Now let us come to the third case, when the object is at center of curvature. Object is at C, means center of curvature. Then the image will also be formed at C. In this case, the image will be formed at C. See here, this is C, this is F. Now, in this case, the image is formed at center of curvature. The size of the image is equal to the size of object. The size of image is equal to the size of object, and nature is real and inverted. What is the nature of image? That is real and inverted. Now, fourth case. Now we come to the fourth case, that is where is the object? The object is now placed between C and F, means center of curvature and focus. So where will be the position of image? The image will be formed beyond the center of curvature. Means in this case, the image will be formed beyond the center of curvature, and what will be the size of the image? It will be larger than the size of object. That is, here the image will be larger than the size of object. C and F. When object is between center of curvature and focus, then the image will be, here it is F, here it is C, so image will be formed beyond the center of curvature. The size of image will be larger than the size of the object. Nature, it is real and inverted. It is also real and inverted. Now let us come to the fifth state, that is the fifth position, when object is placed at focus. Now let us see here, when object is at principal focus F, then where will be the position of image? The position will be formed at infinity, that is at infinity. And what is the size of the image? The size of image will be highly magnified, means highly enlarged. But nature is here also real and inverted. Nature is real and inverted. So up to this state, all the images were very clearly obtained on the screen, because now let us consider the sixth situation. Up to this state, the image are formed, that is real and inverted. But now in the sixth situation, when object is placed between principal focus and optical center, means F and O, then what will be the position of image? The image will be formed behind the object. Image will be formed behind the object, highly enlarged compared to the object, and virtual and erect. What is the nature? This will be the virtual and erect. Means when the object is placed between F and O, what will happen? The rays passing through the lens get diverged, and these diverging ray never meet really or actually. If they are extrapolated, means produced in backward direction, they appear to meet at a point behind the object, and this will indicate the virtual image of the object. Let us see here. Means when these reflected rays are extrapolated in backward direction, they form a virtual and erect image, behind the objects. So what is the position of the image? Position of object between F and O. The position of image is behind the object, and size of image larger than the object. Nature of the image virtual and erect. Virtual and erect means whatever be the position of the object, upside up and downside down, this is called erect image. And whatever be the position of the object, the image will be observed in the same way. Just like when we observe our image in front of the plane mirror, in the same way. So these are the different positions of objects and corresponding to the image formed by the convex lens. Now let us come to the ray diagram for the image formation in concave lens. Concave lens is analogous to convex mirror in the sense of formation of image. So in concave lens there are only two situations, means when object is formed, when object is placed between placed at infinity, suppose, see here, if object is placed at infinity, what will happen? The rays coming from the object are all parallel to the principal axis or parallel to the principal axis, and these rays get refracted through the concave lens in such a way that when they are produced in backward direction, they meet at the principal focus like this. If we extrapolate, these are supposed to be meet at principal focus. So this is the position of image, which is virtual, erect and diminished, highly diminished in size, means point size image will be formed in this case. Means when position, what is the position of object? Position of object at infinity, position of image where at principal focus, at principal focus. Now size of image highly diminished, and nature of image virtual and erect. So this is the feature of the image, these are the features of the image formed by concave lens when object is placed at infinity. See here, position of object at infinity, position of image at principal focus, size of image highly diminished, and nature of image virtual and erect. So let us come to the second situation, when object is placed anywhere, beyond the optical center of the concave lens. See here, now let us come F, C. So see here, suppose object is placed beyond center of curvature AB. Now if one of the rays is taken parallel to the principal axis, it gets refracted through the lens in such a way that when the refracted ray is produced in backward direction, it meets at point F, means principal focus on the principal axis. Now second ray is taken passing through your incident through the origin, optical center, means here optical center. Then it would not get refracted, means it passed undeviated along the same direction. But when these refracted rays is produced in backward direction, these two rays meet at a point between optical center and focus. Between optical center and focus, if we draw a perpendicular on the principal axis from the point of intersection, we get the virtual image of the object. This is the virtual image. What is the size of the image? The size of image is smaller than the size of the object. So if the object is placed anywhere on the principal axis except infinity, we get the virtual and erect image of the object between principal focus and optical center. As the position of object is moved towards the lens, the position of image will also move towards the lens in the same way. So what is the nature of the image? Nature is virtual and erect, size is diminished, position of image at principal focus and position of object at infinity. So these are the two situations of image formation, or to plot the ray diagram on the paper for showing the image formation in this lens, means concave lens. So this is all about the image formation or drawing the ray diagram for convex lens and concave lens. Thank you. Next we will study about the lens formula.